Now I'm going to be backup and restore the data from the TallyPrime. So how can we do it? It's very simple. First I'm going to open the TallyPrime. So you can see here I'm going to be choose the continue in educational mode, and you can see here this is the interface of TallyPrime. So the first option is the company, the second one is data. If you click the data button, and you can see the company data backup, restore, split and data bar. I'm going to be choose the backup because we are going to be backup the data. I'm going to be click backup. If I click the backup, you can see here the list of company which we created, it's appear here, right? And the backup file folder available, see users public TallyPrime data. So how can I get these all files? I'm going to go click the computer, and you can see this is file available, see and user. I'm going to click user public TallyPrime data. These are the files are backup file. We need to be backup these files because these are the companies. 10,009 is Aman Private Limited. The next one is who is BRS 10,010, BRS 10,010. So these are the backup original file. So with this file we have to be backup. So I'm going to be minimize this folder, and now first we have to be select the destination. You can see the window, select companies for backup. So backup destinations, I am going to be choose backup destination. Before going to be select the backup destination, I am going to be create the folder on G driver as a backup, right? Backup. So this folder I am going to be choose. So I am going to be select which folder, select from driver and D, and you can see I have a created folder that is a backup. So I'm going to be select this one and I'm going to be enter. So if I enter, backup destination path is D driver in backup folder. So I'm going to be choose the companies. I'm going to be select all the companies I'm going to be backup. So I'm going to be click one by one. So all the companies selected and end of the list, and after that I'm going to be accept. If I accept, the company's file backup into D driver. Now I'm going to be show the D driver backup. So the files are backup right now. This is the local disk D backup, right? So now I'm going to be delete the company. Which company I am going to be delete? This company. This is the local disk C user public TallyPrime data. So this is the original file, right? This is original file. I am going to be delete all these files because we have already backup the files. Why 10,000 not delete? Because the 10,000 is sample one company. That's what it is not deleted. If I close the TallyPrime, it can be also we can delete, right? I'm going to be close the TallyPrime and I'm going to be delete this one. It will be delete. Okay. So now there is no company in a TallyPrime, right? So I'm going to open. You can see there is no file. There is no company in a TallyPrime. So there is no file. I'm going to be restore the data. So I'm going to be click the data and I'm going to be choose the restore. If I choose the restore, you can see user public TallyPrime data. So there is no file in this one. So I'm going to be select the restore the data where is available D folder in backup. So I'm going to be select from driver and I'm going to be click the D driver and a backup, and I'm going to be choose all the companies I'm going to be restore. I'm going to be click one by one, and after that end of the list, and I'm going to be accept. If I accept, the files are restored into TallyPrime. So now you are able to get all these files in TallyPrime, and you can also work with the TallyPrime. So I'm going to be select, and you can see here the files are, the companies are available. So I'm going to be select. If I want, I can, right? So this is how you can see in the C driver, these files are again restore. You can see C file, user, public, and TallyPrime data. Now the files are available because we restore all the data from D driver backup folder to here, right? This is why. So this is how we can back up and restore the data for TallyPrime.